Manjunath, can you brief about yourself so that Prashant can plan accordingly?
Yeah, hi Prashant. Myself Manjunath. I am working in Novo Nordisk as an supporting for VA server administrator as well as in Veritas system recovery. Generally, my career is totally into like a server support. I got an opportunity in Novo Nordisk to work on backups like a VSR. I'm the only one guy working on VSR. The other team is working on NetBackup. Then VSR that is also Veritas tool, Veritas system recovery, and that is in our company we use VSR for only for the physical machines, that too in the production area where the manufacturing happens to be there. In those area we use this VSR.
Okay.
And as per my career, like you can I started my career at Wipro Infotech as an desktop engineer as well as server support engineer there. I worked there for about 2 years. After that, I got an opportunity to work in Pero System as an information security engineer. And within Pero itself, I got promoted as for the server support. And then the Pero became Dell because that was taken over by the Dell. And then Dell, I continued as server support engineer itself. And then I got an opportunity to work with Entity Data. There also worked as server support engineer for tenant account. And now timing, I'm working with Novo Nordisk. Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And I want to make my career in NetBackup now.
Okay, great to hear that. I am starting my video. If you are comfortable, Manju, you can also enable your video so that we can maybe see each other for a few minutes. Okay, if you are comfortable.
Yeah. 1 second.
Hi, Manju.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, Manju, as you already know, my name is Prashant Mohit. Okay. I have around 13 years of experience in IT altogether, which I have mainly worked in backup and storage domains. Okay. In backup, mainly I have expertise in Veritas NetBackup, and in storage, different domains such as Dell, EMC, Hitachi, Huawei, other storage and cloud solutions. I am giving the cloud solution offering I am giving to the client. Okay. So here, nowadays I'm working in Olam Information Services. It is a Singapore-based, company, which I'm a global lead here. I'm taking care of the entire Unix and backup and storage and cloud domain. Not cloud completely, but yeah, the cloud services that are related to backup and storage that we are taking care of. Okay. So about my training experience, I have done multiple corporate trainings in companies such as Wipro, Infosys, DXC, and in Huawei as well. Okay. So I have I would say I'm a seasoned trainer. Okay. But nowadays I'm mainly focusing on Azure, and I'm mainly focusing on virtualization technologies, not VMware, but you might have heard about Nutanix. Okay, so Nutanix is an upcoming virtualization technology. I am certified in Nutanix, and I'm trying to give more training in virtualization domain and all that. Okay, so there you have a lot of scope. Talking about Veritas NetBackup, I have around 10 years of experience, and I'm working as an SME from around 5-6 years. Okay. So yeah, so I have the pretty good idea and about how NetBackup works, how to train you on NetBackup. Okay. I don't know about your level of expertise, so I might have to start from scratch. So first of all, we'll learn about what backup is. Okay, what kind of backups are there? Okay, first of all, we'll know about backup as a service that will provide to the client, right? Later we'll come to the tool. Okay, there are different tools in the market. Veritas NetBackup is a leading tool in the market for backup and recovery solutions. Okay. And also we have backup exec. That is also
only 1 second, Prashant, 1 second. Sorry. Yep, sure. Yes.
Yeah. So I was telling about different tools that are leading in the market. So Veritas NetBackup is obviously the leading tool in the market. Okay. And apart from that, we have Commvault. Other tools are also upcoming, such as you might have heard about this backup exec, also Cohesity. Cohesity is also so a tool. I'm not certified on Cohesity, but I have hands-on experience on Cohesity as well. One more tool that we are working here in my company, that is ParaBlue. Okay, so different tools are there in the market and for different purposes there. Mainly you want to get expertise in Veritas NetBackup, correct?
Yeah.
So have you seen the console to have any idea about the architecture of Veritas NetBackup?
Just heard about it: master server, media server, and client servers.
Correct. That is basically the architecture. Okay, the architecture is made up of three things. Okay, so we'll discuss those later about in our upcoming sessions. That what is the architecture, how it works, from where the data flows. For backup, what is the data flow algorithm architecture, and for restore, what is the data flow architecture. That all everything we will learn one by one. That what are the databases that we will take backup using Veritas NetBackup. I have also a real-time console which I will be able to show you, and a few test environments also I've created. Okay, so you will be able to do the installation. You will be able to create the basic policies, take the backups, do the restores. All these real time I will be able to show you once you are confident enough. Okay. They are test environments. Still, it is the licenses and they are owned by the client. Okay. So once you are a little bit expertise in that, you're a little bit expert on that, okay, I will be able to configure this. I will be able to take care of this. I will be sharing you with the real time hands-on experience as well. So it will not be only a theory class. Whatever I'm teaching you or taking the session on the topics, I will make sure that you get a real-time experience on that, a real-time hands-on on that, and you will be able to see that what we are creating and how we are creating.
Yes.
How to take the backups, how to configure everything. Okay. So there is a course document that also I have prepared once I was working with Wipro. So I was from Veritas, representing Veritas to Wipro. Okay. So we have created one collated document and that I will be sharing with you. Once I get your email address and everything, I will be sharing that with you. So that you can, it is maybe 3 or 4 years old. Few topics will be added on that. Okay. But they are all basic topics. So obviously we'll have to undergo those trainings, those topic trainings as well. Okay. Yeah.
And Prashant, like now we are doing it 8.2, right? Veritas?
No. I have upgraded on 10.0.0.1. That is the latest.
Yeah, that's what 9.1, 10 is what we are upgrading in our environment now.
Yeah. So I'm suggesting all my clients to go ahead with 10 now.
Okay. But the training was like how you give it on 8.2 or 9.1 or directly on the 10?
See, frankly speaking, when you will get the not expertise, but when you will get the acquaintance of what is Veritas NetBackup. Okay. So the version, the NetBackup version will be just a console for you. Okay. Few additions might be done on each and every console. I have the latest console installed in my environment. I have installed in November or end of October. I have done that. Okay. And just to let you know, the environment that I'm working on, it is the biggest, what I say, that whatever the new product is launched in Veritas, it comes in Olam Information Services first of all. Okay, so we are the primary customer for Veritas, and whatever anything new launches, or according
Olam in
to
the sense that what I didn't get you, like
it's the name of the company that I'm working for. It is Olam Information.
Oh, is it? Okay.
So it is a product-based company, and we have multiple solutions that Veritas is offering. Even according to our requirement, if I say that, okay, this is what my environment needs to be. Okay, if I want to make some changes in my environment, which is not offered by Veritas also, then also they will make the customization and they will provide us. Okay, because they are our backup and recovery solution provider. Okay, so what I'm trying to say that you need to learn NetBackup.
Yeah.
Forget about the what I can say from my experience. 8.1.2 is also same, 9 is also same, 10 is also same. What will be added will be just more APIs will be added so that you can integrate new cloud solutions. Few new features will be added, few new security enhancements will be added. Okay, so I have 8.1.2 is no more supported right now. Okay, so all the environments I have upgraded to 8.3.0.1, and the main environment that I'm handling as a global backup engineer, so that I have upgraded to 10.0.0.1 because and we have also got 10.0.0.2 in the market right now, but that is not stable. Okay, so always what we will do, and the training also that you will get, it will be on N-1 version. N-1 means N means the latest one.
Okay, 10.
One below the latest. Why? Because the latest one is still in development phase and it has been released, but the patches are coming every week. Okay, so we cannot afford that much downtime. Okay, and every week it is not possible as to fix the bugs, fix the issues that we will highlight, and they will release. That is called EEB. Okay, the patches are called EEBs. So EEBs will be there, and obviously on the master server, if we install anything, implement anything, then downtime is required. So this is we cannot afford downtime to the business, right? So always remember this thing. Why I'm giving you this scenario, that you said that you will be getting training on 8 or 9. Always go for N-1. Okay, because in N, lot of issues will be there. No one is going to install in N in their production environment. Might be you can see in the test environment. Okay, so N-1 means the latest environment for which Veritas has said, okay, this environment is fine, this version release is fine, and you can go ahead and implement in your environment, and let us know if any further issues comes. EBs will keep on coming. Few days back, entire globe, okay, was hit by a security breach that was called Apache Log4j. You might have heard about it. Lot of mails came in every organization. It's not that mine or yours. Apache Log4j vulnerability. Okay, this came around maybe Jan, Feb, or March 2022. Okay, so this was it was hit globally. Okay, so Veritas had done a lot of security enhancements after now, so that no one can hack your data. So this, what we are doing here, Anju, that you need to understand is very critical. See, sometimes people will say that production is more critical, backup will be done after production hours. That is correct. But what happens? Backup is just like a insurance. You will not need it till you get hit, right?
Yes.
If you are going on a bike, everything goes smooth, you return home, you don't need your insurance to be means it will not come in the picture, right? But if unfortunately something happens, then what you will need an insurance, and that is only the backup solution.
Yes.
In a real-time scenario, if I tell you server goes down, server team will come to us, okay, do you have the backup or not? Okay, so it is just an insurance that we are providing them, that yes, we are backing your data on a day-to-day basis, incremental, differential, full backups we are taking that will be needed in the time when your server crashes, when your database is down, when your application is non-functional, correct?
Yes.
So we need to understand the integrity of backup that we are taking. I am working in so much critical environment that day to day some issues keep on coming. Okay, we have made the environment stable, but entire application is running 24/7. Just I will tell you one example. Last Sunday, what happened? Yeah, it was it was Saturday. What happened? That one application is there that takes care of all the stock exchanges for our company. Okay, for the client.
Mhm.
Stock
Mhm.
exchanges that happens. The means if you are purchasing something, you are putting an order. Okay, you are paying money on that order. Everything is controlled by one particular application. I won't name that application, but yeah,
Yeah.
all these is done by that application, and that application went down for 2 hours. Okay, so we had an SLA, something is called RPO and RTO. I think you might know about it. Recovery point objective and recovery time objective. I will discuss that in detail as well. It simply it means that how quick you can restore the services, how quick you can make the application online. Okay, so for that we had to the application went down, all the data loss was happened. Within 2 hours, we made the entire environment go up with our backup solution. Okay, and 3 years data I had to restore, because that is very critical for the client. It completely manages the money transaction that has happened. Means the business criticality of that application was very high, very critical, right? So we had to do the restore very quickly so that the application can come up and all the services can be restored. Okay, for 2 hours the service was down, so the company got a major hit because no transaction or no purchasing of the shares happened for 2 hours. You just think about millions and $1 million loss happened. But we have an RPO of RTO of 4 hours. So within that RTO we were able to make the services up, so the business impact was little bit less. But just you think, if the backup was not available, then what would have happened? They have to install the application again, get the database again, manual things they had to do. Okay, it might take 24 hours, it might take more hours. So the business loss could be means on a more impacted side, or
Means
on
we can
maximum
restore the
size.
entire application also from the backup. Means like we can restore entire applications, whatever that has been installed on the machine.
Obviously, we can do that. There are different ways to do that. But if the application crashes or the database crashes, first of all, application installation is very easy thing. It will take only 5 minutes for them to install. But the application, where it will go to fetch the data, understood? You have Paytm in your mobile, right?
Yes.
You install it, uninstall it. How much time it will take? 5 minutes.
Just a 5 minutes. Yes.
But if it is not able to connect to the server that is in the background, you will not be able to see any transactions. You will see my orders, nothing. You will see my money, nothing. Understood?
Yeah,
From
got
where
it.
that data comes? That data comes from the databases. Okay, application installation and uninstallation is pretty easy thing. It will just 5-minute work. But in the background, from where it goes and fetches the data, where we need to struggle. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. One more example I would like to take, that I would like to tell you that really happened in our. I was in CSC. Now it has turned into DXC, renamed into DXC. HP and CSC combined together, made into DXC. So there, what happened, due to the application was down, SAP application was there. You know, entire all the trucks. Okay, all the trucks were in the line on the highway. They will not be able to enter the factory. Why? Because when they will enter in the factory, the application needs to work. They will scan the scanner, and then unload will happen. Okay, then it will go to the warehouse. So entire trucks were in the line, around 60 to 90 trucks were in the line, and it was blocking the complete highway. And the government made a penalty on that company. The name of the company was SC Johnson. I was working for that company. The entire database, entire application was down. So we as a backup team only did the restore. Around 40 terabyte of restore was done. It took a lot of time, obviously, and all the data was on tapes. So tapes. Reading and restoration takes double time. You know this thing.
Yeah.
It took a lot of time, but if that data was not there, the company cannot function. Okay. So why I told you these things? Because you need to take your job seriously. You need to understand what you are managing, because in the real time scenario, sometimes people will say, okay, I just missed one Excel sheet. You give me, you all that. That is very easy. Okay. But in the real time, when the application goes down and every liability, every responsibility comes to the backup team to give them their data, because in nowadays in today's world only one thing matters, that is called your data. If data is not there, no company can function. So who is responsible for backing up and security of that data? We are responsible, right? Any calamity happens, we have to do the restore and give them.
Yes.
Understood?
Got it. Yeah.
So this was why I was telling you this thing, so that you can understand, because few people say that backup is not important, or backup team is it is a laid back team. But when the real scenario comes, we will only save their asses.
Yes.
That they also need.
That is what daily backup checking, daily issues won't be there. I mean to say, like generally the critical issues won't be found in the backup. Daily backup checking, doing what they say is you're just checking and leaving. That's it. But when it comes to the reality, when something goes wrong and some issues comes, backup team is the one whose real data is what required. That's what.
Correct. As I told you, if you do, if you have insurance, you are not paying the premium. You don't need it. If you never need it, it's fine. Okay, you pay the premium, not pay the premium, doesn't matter. But if you need in some unfortunate cases, okay, and it is not there, then who will suffer? You will suffer, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So let's talk about backup. What do you understand by backup of data? Enterprise backup solution. If I'm okay, leave it. What do you understand by backup? Simple backup.
Backup in the sense like
layman terms.
Means generally taking up the backup of our data, means entire system in case
again you are using the same word. Don't use backup. Just try to explain what do you mean by backup.
It's like duplicating the data. Means
duplicating.
We have a data, means with day-to-day work what we carry on, we are saving that data in somewhere in some location, so that in case any file or anything got missed or got deleted by mistake, so that we can restore it.
Okay, fine. You use the word duplication. So what do you mean by duplication?
Duplication means we create a file today, we'll be working on it, we'll be saving that file, creating one more copy of that file for tomorrow. Who knows that tomorrow that file may open or may get corrupted. So if we keep one more copy of that file, that is a duplicating of that, so that we can open that file and we can start working. So need to vary for the file which is got corrupted. You're
right. One thing you missed, that the duplication should always be done on a different location.
I mean to say that's what, duplicating in the sense maybe just in general, like saving in some other drive or saving in some other system itself.
Okay. So if we say what is backup, backup means copy and pasting of data in some other location. That is called backup. If you have 5 GB movies in your laptop, I say that, okay, take a backup. Then generally what you will do, either you will insert a pen drive or some external hard disk, okay, and you will copy and paste that data in the external drive, pen drive, whatever you are using. Okay. So what you are doing, so for that 5 GB of data, you are making a copy. That is called a backup copy. Why? If this laptop goes down, your laptop gets corrupted, goes down, battery is not working, some motherboard issue, you are not able to open laptop, or that got deleted, OS reinstallation you had to do, OS got corrupted. Any case, your laptop, you are not able to browse those 5 GB data. Then what you will do? You can always go to a different laptop, go to a different system, but the data you will have on the external drive that you have kept it. So that is called copy and paste or a backup of data. As simple as that in the layman terms. What is archive of data?
Archive of data means like keeping all the backups at one location. Is that you mean? No. Means like on day-to-day backups, whatever that happens, archiving at one particular location.
Archiving. What do you mean by archiving?
Exactly, like how do I say? Just means like in IBM that Outlook what we had, right, tool. IBM, we used to say that all the mails we need to archive at one folder. We used to create a folder, Lotus Notes. We used to create the folder and keep it in that archive folder, all the mails like that.
Okay, I understood what you're trying to say. In layman terms, since this is first class, I don't know how much you have expertise in backup and terms and everything. So just trying to understand. Okay. So backup is copy and pasting of data, right? Archiving is cut pasting of data. You understand, no?
Okay.
Sometimes you'll do cut and paste.
Yes.
Right? Cut and paste means in the source it will be gone.
Yeah.
Where it will
got it.
reside? In the destination.
No, I got it.
Copy
Yes.
paste, yeah, what you will do? If you will do copy paste in both the location, source and the destination, the same data will be there. That is called duplication also.
Yeah.
In a different location. That is called backup also. That you are right. In archiving, what we do? Cut and paste. Why we do cut and paste? I don't want that data in my laptop, right? Maybe your laptop is getting full. You do not have more storage. So either you can shift delete in the laptop, okay? So the data will be gone. It might be critical for you. Might be it has some pictures of your family, some important documents, some study documents are there. You don't want to get rid of them. You don't want to delete them. What you are going to do? You will just cut and paste. Okay? So storage will be created here, but the data will be also on a safer side, on a different destination.
Yes.
Right? Understood?
Yeah.
So that is the main. This is an interview question. Backup, what is the difference between backup and archive? Many people who are at a good level also, they don't know what to say. Understood? They know what is this, but they don't know how to tell this to the person who is asking this question. Okay. So this is the difference between backup and archive.
Yeah.
Duplication you already told. What do you mean by replication? Any idea? Replication.
Replication in the sense like the data, whatever that is like whatever we create or store it, that gets reflected to other location. I mean, it's where the storage where we have created the path automatically gets reflected there.
Okay, let me put it like this. What is the difference between backup and replication?
One is like backup in the sense like on a scheduled time, the backup will automatically happen, the data will be saved at one location. Okay. Replication means auto-replicate. The data will be automatically replicated from this certain after timestamp. After certain timestamp, the data will be automatically replicated to some other location.
So in backup also you can make it on the scheduled timing, no? Make it at 6 p.m. every day. That is backup.
There is a day-to-day daily backup, right? One day or daily once we.
So replication also I can do day-to-day, yeah. What is the basic difference? This is also very, very basic question.
Yeah, replication is in like Windows part of it, like replicating the data means like generally group policies that what we create that gets replicated to others locations like in the what is it other sites and all like.
You are right there, but you didn't catch the keyword that I wanted to hear. Backup always happens between similar domain. Okay. Replication happens in different domains. Only this is the difference. Okay.
Backup happens in similar domains.
Similar domain. Domain will be same. The master server will be same. In replication, the master servers will be different. So domain will be different. So this is the basic difference between backup and replication.
So backup will happen in the same domain. That is
same domain.
Yeah.
If it is in the same domain, then only it is called backup.
It's
if
like
it is in different domain,
Wipro.com means it will happen the same Wipro.com and the backup will happen.
Yes.
Replication means like where you mean to say Wipro child domain or like Wipro main domain and child domain like.
No, main domain and child domain are same. I don't know if they have created child domain into a different domain. That is a different thing. Okay. In NetBackup, what I can tell you, master server is one master server. You will do backup between different locations. If you are sending the data from one master server to another master server, that is not backup. That is what? That is replication.
But at a different location, you mean to say?
Obviously, replication will be between different location only. Backup can also be into different location, but the master server will be same. Okay.
Okay.
Replication, what we do when the master servers are different, domain will be different. Okay. Head
Domain
will be different.
Yes.
Understood. Okay. Try to understand. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
If you are your father is there, you are passing the money from you to your brother or you to your sister. Okay. All are in the same domain, right?
Yeah.
Under your father.
Got
But
it.
if you are passing something to your friend, so that is in a different domain.
Different domain. Yes.
His father
got it.
is different.
Yeah.
So the things might be different. You are giving 100 rupees to your own sister, to your own brother, and giving to your neighbor will be different, right? That is the same thing. I might not be giving you the correct example, but this is the thing. If same domain is backup, different
Yeah, got
domain
it.
is replication. So why I'm telling you these things, because let us clear these basic things. I don't want you to go and someone asks these basic things, you will don't know the words from where it is coming, why it is coming, like that. Okay. You will understand NetBackup. People will have good working knowledge on NetBackup, but they don't know the difference between backup and archive, backup and replication. This is the first question. You have prepared everything for the interview, everything for the maybe wherever you are going to display your knowledge. Okay. For the exam, all the preparation. But if replication and backup comes, you will not be able to understand what to write. You know, inside your head, you know, inside your heart, but you will not be able to
express,
give the, not be able to express it, not be able to give it in the output. Okay. So how many backups have you worked on? Any idea? How many types are types
I'm
of
not
backups?
a core backup guy, but I've troubleshooted on backups. Like I worked on Tivoli by IBM. So this one. Afterwards, I worked on Commvault. Commvault has not much. It's just for 1 year it was there, but it was not too much of exposure. Finally, they moved it.
See, I'm not talking about NetBackup here. Okay. NetBackup has even not come into picture till now. What we are discussing is just backup.
Yeah. No. Okay. The NetBackup also, I worked at the server level, like troubleshooting certain issues on NetBackup, like because they used to raise a ticket for us because only we had access for the servers where you can log in. We used to check the services, other things and all, like commands used to execute and check for the what could be the issues, and then we used to fix it for NetBackup. That level, not like master server, client, master server, media server, and client servers. We have seen it, but I haven't worked on it.
Okay.
But now what I'm working is the backup, like VSR, Veritas System Recovery. That is like completely like it's for the client machines, like factory machines, and that is we have a console, management console, where we create a policies in that, and we have a share, NAS share. We create a where the backups will be stored. The NAS share will be added to that policy, and into that policy we'll be adding all those machines, and those machines we'll be scheduling a given time for that. As per the schedule, that backups will happen.
Correct. So again, I will go to my question, since we have not entered the NetBackup domain. Okay, we'll not discuss about that. My question is still now that how many types of backups are there?
Incremental, differential, daily, normal, and copy backup.
Okay. So daily and incremental, how come they are different?
Daily backup is day-to-day backup. Incremental is what on that particular day. What
day-to-day backup? What day-to-day backup?
Day-to-day backup is what all the backups.
You are telling the schedule. Okay. Day-to-day means schedule you are giving.
Yeah.
I'm asking what types of backups. So let me tell you. Backups will be generally of 3 types. One will be incremental. One will be differential. One will be full backup.
Yeah.
Only 3 kinds of backups are there in backup. Okay. In NetBackup, there are user defined backup also. That one more 2 terms will come that I will be telling you. But we have not entered there. Okay. It is in different room altogether. We are just outside discussing about backup. Okay. From this backup, you can go to Commvault, you can go to Cohesity, you can go anywhere. But incremental, differential, and full. Might be daily full also you can schedule. Daily incremental also you can schedule. So daily backups, it means what daily, daily incremental, daily differential, daily full. What you are
daily incremental means what are the changes that has happened on this today, like today's Thursday, that backup will be taken. Differential is something like it will take even Mondays. If it is a backup happens, the Monday's data will be there. Tuesday's backup happens, the Monday and Tuesday's data will be there. Wednesday's backup happens, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's backup will be there. That is a differential. And full backup is something like it completes system backup.
Okay,
It
so
happens on weekends.
you are telling right only, okay, not wrong, but it is not up to the mark.
Yes.
Okay. Let's discuss what will be up to the mark. What is full backup? Just let me know. Tell me about your laptop.
Full backup in
of
this
your laptop.
Entire machine backup, entire system
Entire
backup,
machine.
C drive, D drive, what are the drives, including the applications, entire machine backup, complete system backup.
Correct. If I say that C, leave it, C drive. D drive, you would have some data, some banking data, some PDF, some photos, some videos, anything will be there that you are saving for your future usage. Take the backup, full backup of D drive. So you might have 10 GBs data on your D drive. So if I ask you to do a full backup of your D drive, how much data on the storage side I would need?
Means the same as the space that is there in the D drive. Like D drive, it's 10 GB data. Means like the space that takes at the storage, it's also 10 GB.
Perfect, correct. So I ask you to take backup on Monday, full backup.
Okay.
So 10 GB.
Yes.
What again I say to take full backup on Tuesday, then how much data I would need?
10 GB plus what all the changes that has happened on that particular day, including
full backup, full backup.
Full backup means I didn't get you. Monday the full backup.
Tuesday again I'm asking you to take full backup.
Full backup. That's what 10 GB plus additional what all the changes or any changes that has happened on that particular day that completes maybe 10 plus GB.
Then you are taking the changed backup. I'm asking you to take a full backup.
That's what I mean to say. Like, see, Monday, if I take the full backup,
correct.
Monday will be 10 GB. If I take Tuesday, the same backup because the
okay, let me make it simpler for you. Monday, I ask you to take a full backup. Data is 10 GB. Okay, 10 GB. So Monday full backup taken. 10 GB I have occupied.
Yeah.
10 GB occupied on the storage. Correct. Now, Tuesday morning, I have put 1 GB one file there. Okay, and I ask you to run a full backup on Tuesday evening. So how much space I would need?
10 GB plus additional that file, what are the space that is
1 GB is there. So you tell me on Tuesday how much
11 GB
storage is needed.
11 GB.
Why?
1 GB file is been added, right?
Then if it is not added, then how much data I need?
Same 10 GB. Same
10 GB. Why? Because we are taking a full backup. It will not capture any changes. Means I'm sorry. It will not only capture the changes, it will capture everything whatever it is inside.
Yes.
Okay, you have 10 GB was already occupied. Today, if I add 1 GB file, then 11 GB. If I don't add 10 GB, so how much storage I need today? 20. That 20. 10 and 10. Okay.
20. Yeah.
Again, on Wednesday, I say that take a full backup. Again, I need 10 GB.
Yeah.
So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 50 GB I need if I'm taking a daily full or full backup I'm taking. Whenever full backup will happen, it will capture full. Full means full.
Entire. Yes. Yeah.
People will confuse you. Yeah, we have already a backup there. Why you need only changes will happen? No. Yes. Full means full.
Full. Correct.
Okay. Now, talking about incremental backup. Okay. So incremental backup will only capture the changes. It means if I added 1 GB file, so how much data I need today? How much data will be on the storage? Only 1 GB.
1 GB file.
Because only 1 GB has changed. 10 GB is same. It will just calculate quickly. Okay, this is same, this is same, this is same, this is same. Don't do backup. This is different. Take the backup. What happens in the background, that I will tell you later. Okay. On NetBackup side, what happens, what is flagged and how OS will recognize that this is a new file. That is also thing, na?
Mhm.
You will
Correct.
go, you will, how you will see that this is a new file? It means you will refer to something. This is same, this is same, this is new, like that, right? So that
Yeah.
we'll discuss later. But for now, just say that how much data has changed, 1 GB has changed. So I will only capture incremental. Incremental will only capture 1 GB.
1 GB.
So 10 plus 1, 11 GB. In full, it was how much? 20
It
GB.
will 20 GB, yeah.
Full 10 plus 10. Okay, or 10 plus 11 to better.
11, yeah.
10 plus 11. Here 10 plus 1. Got the difference between full and incremental?
Yeah, got
There
it.
should be
Yes.
no confusion any time in the future in your entire lifetime.
Correct.
What I'm telling you, you don't need to write anywhere. You don't need to do anything. You just need to keep it in your mind. It will be forever. Okay.
Correct.
Anytime anyone will say what is incremental, what is full backup, you will never get confused. Believe me. Trust me. Okay.
Yes.
Now talk about differential. It is a little bit tricky. Talk about differential. I'm giving you the scenario. Full backup taken 10 GB. Second day 1 GB new file was added. Third day, again I took a full backup. Okay. Third day again I take a full backup. And then on fourth day, I ask you to take differential backup. Okay. So what differential backup will capture here?
Differential backup will capture the fourth day data that is modified or changes. Only that day's backup it will take.
So that is incremental is also doing, no?
No, but the fourth day's backup, fifth day's backup, fourth day plus fifth day's backup, total will come.
No. It means you are saying just 2 subsequent days. Incremental 1 subsequent day, differential 2 subsequent days. This you are saying, right? No, that is wrong. Incremental, what it will do? It will capture the changes
Changed
data.
Yep.
Changed data it will capture. Differential, what it will do? It will capture the changed data since the last full backup.
Okay, changed data.
Wait. Again, I will reiterate. Differential will copy, incremental will copy only the change data. Change might be from in last incremental also, might be from full also. But differential will capture all the data since last full backup.
Like as you said, third day full backup happened.
Okay, we'll leave it. See, talk about 10 GB data is there. Monday, Tuesday we added 1 GB data. Wednesday we added 1 GB data. Okay. Wednesday evening I asked you to take full backup. How much data? 12 GBs, right?
12 GB data. Okay.
10, 12 GB data. I asked you to take incremental backup. How much data?
Means like incremental backup 1 GB data.
Only 1 GB data. Because
Tuesday
obviously you have also taken the incremental backup, na?
Yes, yeah.
So 10, 1. So 10 is already captured in full backup. On Monday you took an incremental backup, so 1 GB you have already captured. No, sorry, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday again 1 GB. It is capturing the incremental backup. You are getting my point or not?
Yeah, got it.
Got it? On Wednesday, you have taken the incremental backup. 1 GB captured. Okay. Now I ask you to, on the same day, same time, I ask you to take differential backup also. So what differential will capture? After Monday full backup already taken. So Tuesday incremental, Wednesday incremental, both it will copy.
Okay.
Why it is copying both? Because it will refer to all the data, new data from last full backup.
Okay.
Incremental will refer to last backup.
Okay.
Differential will refer to last full backup.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Incremental will refer to what?
Incremental refer to last backup.
Last backup. It doesn't matter. Last full is there, incremental is there. Okay. Differential will only refer to last full backup.
Yeah.
Understood? If every day we are doing the same thing, 1 GB, 1 GB, 1 GB. On Friday, if I talk about Friday, same scenario. Friday, incremental, how much data it will capture? Incremental, Friday evening, how much data it will capture?
It will increment Friday's data. Only Friday's data.
Only Friday's change. It means 1 GB.
1 GB, yeah.
1 GB.
Yeah.
Differential, how much it will capture?
Differential, it will last Monday, the full backup is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 days.
4 days, 4 GBs.
Yes.
So incremental captured 1 GB, differential captured 4 GB.
4 GB.
Incremental refers to last backup. Differential refers to last full backup.
Last full backup, yes.
Full backup when it was taken? Monday.
Monday.
So after Monday, whatever the data has changed, it will capture in differential. Understood?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No doubt. Clear.
You will never have any doubt on incremental and differential in your entire career. I'm telling you. Okay.
Definitely. Yeah,
naming convention might be different.
Mm-hmm.
Naming convention might be different.
Mm-hmm.
They might say differential, incremental, differential, different things they might say in different tools. But basic only 3 backups are there: backup, full backup, incremental backup, and differential. Archive, already I told you, archive is also kind of backup where we do cut and paste. So I will not take archive under our backup. Under our backup umbrella. Okay. So backup will have full backup, incremental, and differential.
Yeah.
Just write this thing. Incremental refers to last backup.
Yeah, that's what incremental refers to change data. That is last backup.
Change data from the last backup. Differential refers to change data from the last full backup.
Yeah.
Here last any backup, there last full backup. Only this is the difference.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Yes.
So I think now you are clear between backup, archive, replication, restore. Already you knew. I told you so many times that if the giving the data or restoring the data in the source, as simple as that. Okay, you have accidentally deleted your photo. You are doing the restore. What restore will do? It will bring back the data to the source. Okay.
Restore.
So now restore, what it will do? It will bring back the data in the source.
Okay.
Correct. So now you are clear with backup.
Yeah.
You are clear with restore. You are clear with archive. You are clear with replication.
Yeah.
Okay. You are clear with types of backups: full backup, incremental, and differential.
Yeah.
These things you need to do not mug it. Do not read it again.
Understand it. Yeah.
Do not learn it. Okay. Because I don't believe in that. Whatever I told you, it will never go out of your mind.
Yes, correct.
Because in the layman terms, I've tried to explain you. If Ganesh is hearing, he will also understand what is differential, what is incremental now.
Correct.
Okay, so I will not extend much today. So this was just a brief that I gave you about what happens in backup. Okay. So once you are comfortable, you are okay, then we can proceed further in our NetBackup domain. NetBackup environment, we'll learn about architecture. I will be sharing you the schedule. So generally 40 hours training is enough to understand NetBackup. 40 hours means not 40 days. 40 hours, it will include your practicals as well. Okay. So right from basics to L1 and L2. Okay. To L3, I would like to touch with the disaster recovery, rebuilding, and databases recoveries and everything that I will let you know. Apart from those, you need at least 6 to 1 month expertise to venture into that area.
Okay. And how about the cloud, and the cloud also implementing this NetBackup into cloud? See,
NetBackup can be integrated to any cloud solution. What is cloud is completely different thing.
Yes.
Okay. You are, since you are a server support guy, you already know about physical servers. Okay. So just think cloud that it will replace your physical server with, means if you have 100 GB hard drive in your laptop. Okay. So I will say that you don't pay for this 100 GB hard drive. Okay. In your laptop, there will be cost for the motherboard, cost for this display, cost for the keyboard. Then only it will become a laptop, right?
Yeah.
I'm giving very basic layman language example. So you have 100 GB here. Okay. I will say that don't, means I have removed 100 GB from there. I will say you can use 100 GB, 200 GB, 500 GB, 10 GB, according to your usage. You can use that. Okay. You have to just you have to have ID password of this server You log in there via internet, give ID password, and whatever you are saving in your local hard disk, you save it there. If you save 10 GB, you pay me for 10 GB. You use 100 GB, you pay me for 100 GB. Okay. Pay as you go model. If you purchase one external hard drive, so many times you have purchased, right? For 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, you would spend how much? Around 2,000, 2,500 rupees in Amazon, correct?
Yes, yes.
But if I say that, why you are giving 2,500 rupees? Yeah, you need only 5 GB data now. So why you will purchase 2 terabyte? Okay, you use this ID password. You put your 5 GB data. I will charge you only 36 rupees. Then it will be easy for you or not. But you will say, so you will charge every month? Yes, I will charge. What, my data will increase from 5 GB to 10 GB to 15 GB. Then I will charge more. 36 rupees is for 5 GB for 1 month. Okay, if you are keeping 10 GB, then it will be 72 rupees for 2 months, like that, whatever the package I'm selling you. Okay, then you will calculate that, yeah, I will purchase 2,500 or 3,000, I will spend at one time. It's better na, that whatever I will use, I will put the data there. It will be safe also, easy also, ID password also I'm getting, no one is touching my data, and I am paying less also. Instead of 2,500 rupees in this example that I'm giving, you have to spend only 36 rupees, and it will be easy for you, correct? So this is the same funda with the cloud. Someone else is giving you your hard disk, your application. Now it will come to application. You are using your Gmail, right? That is a basic form of a cloud. You are putting your pictures there, resume there, sending mails there. You are utilizing their storage space. 100 GB they give as free, right? You are using it. If you will use more, they will charge for you. So 100 GB is free. Why it is free? Because they are giving you advertisements and all that. They are earning like that. Okay, if you will increase that 100 GB limit, then they will start charging you per month, per year, like that, right now. So that is a basic example of cloud. I will not venture much into cloud because cloud is completely a different course. Okay, cloud, VMware, virtualization are different courses that I'm giving. So we will, in this session, in the coming session for NetBackup, will particularly concentrate on how NetBackup works, how NetBackup, what are the components in NetBackup, what are the features in NetBackup, how you can open the console in NetBackup and learn to do all the activities that are given, all the things that are given, how to manage a backup environment using the NetBackup tool. Okay, I will not be venturing into Commvault. I will not venture into Nutanix, but the basic things that you require to operate your NetBackup tool. Something from VMware, something from cloud, something from OS, something from Unix, something from Windows. Obviously, for a backup admin, all these things you must know. You must know OS little bit. You must know Windows little bit. You must know Linux little bit. You must know networking little bit. Okay, you must know little bit of cloud. So these are basic things. Okay, ping command is used for in network, right? But ping command is very basic command that you need to have. Ping, telnet, you means these things you need to know, right? RDP, these are Windows terms, but you will come to know. MSTSC, okay, services.msc, that how to restart the services. In Linux, how to CP, how to move a file, how to copy. So basic things only you need. That I will let you know if you don't know already. I think you know those things, but still I will be guiding you on those things as well. Okay. Okay. So Ganesh, you are there in the call?
Yeah, Prashant.
Okay, now, Ganesh. So my introductory class, I believe I will give this much only. Okay, because we were just getting to know each other and getting to know that what all I need to from scratch or from which level I need to explain to Anju. Okay, and we have discussed about the basic topics of backup, and in future we'll be venturing into net backup domain, everything. Okay.
And Prashant, like by this week is already over anyways. By next week I'm on call. by next Monday, my on-call will get over. Means like coming Monday, it starts, and the next like 6th Monday, March 6th, the on-call will get over in the morning by 11 o'clock.
Okay.
So Monday evening, we can start with the classes.
Monday evening means date, can you give me?
6th.
6th.
27th is the on-call starting. 27th, coming Monday.
Okay. See, what we will do, Manju, we'll plan it like that. That Saturday, Sunday will keep every weekend. Okay. In the weekday, we'll plan for 1 or 2 days accordingly. Okay.
Weekdays, one or 2 days,
Yeah.
and
5 days you will not be able to learn anything. Trust me. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I will be telling you one topic. I will be giving you homework. You need to also go and read about it. Okay. So daily classes, it is not going to help you. I will teach faster. You will not be able to cope up. So we need to be at such a pace so that you can understand. So I need not more than 1.5 months of your time. Okay. In which Saturday, Sunday will take. In maybe few Saturday, Sundays, if I'm busy in some other work or some escalations are going on or some major activities are going on in the office, we'll manage accordingly. In the weekday, we can try to manage our timing. Beforehand, we will discuss that, okay, you are free on Thursday, then we'll do the class on Thursday. If you are free on Tuesday, we'll do a class on Tuesday. So 4 days a week is more than enough for a corporate training. I don't do 4 days. Generally, I do 3 days. But let's see how you are able to
4 days a week and Saturday, Sundays, right?
Including Saturday, Sunday, 4 days.
4 days, okay.
Yeah. There are 7 days in a week. Either 3 or 4 days, we will manage to get the sessions done. And I need around 1 to 1.5 hours of your time.
Okay, Saturday, Sundays, 1.5 hours we can. Weekdays also fine. The thing is,
we'll see. Some topics might.
What will the time that you say, like per class?
See, either you can do in the mornings or you can do in the evenings.
Evening will be fine. 8 to 9 is the fine. Why? Because sometimes I get stuck with some issues with the machines and all. So fixing up those issues and sometimes having a call with the Veritas and all.
No problem. See, it's not that I'm running 15 batches in a day. Okay. I'm only taking one Australian class, which is in the night time. Okay. Those guys, I take around from 10:30 our time. Okay. Yeah. Only one session is there. One Singapore class was there that just got over. Okay. So I'm kind of free. So we can manage accordingly. It's not
we
that
shall plan by like 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock our
it's
India
fine.
time.
It's fine. You can discuss with me the timings 1 day prior. If you want to do the session on Thursday, you need to tell me on advance on Wednesday that at what time you are available. Accordingly, I will also have to plan. I have office. I'm going to office also. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of a very senior level, very responsible level, not a senior level, but at a very responsible level. So I need to also plan accordingly my 1 hour or 1.5 hours accordingly to take the session. Saturday, Sunday, I'm completely free. So any time in the morning or in the evening, or if you are comfortable at 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, it's fine. Morning is fine. 8 o'clock.
Yeah, morning is fine because you will have the entire day to read, go out. Okay, if you plan at 3 o'clock, you might start missing on your classes. Okay, if you plan in the evening, if you have some other plan with the family, you will not be able to cope up. Okay, so 7:30, 8 o'clock, that will be perfect time on weekends. On weekday, if you say in the evening, I'm quite fine, no problem.
Yeah,
3 to 4 days are more than enough for you to complete the course, and because you also need time to learn and revise the things.
That's what weekend Saturday, Sundays, we should make it in the morning. Yeah, as you said, 7:30 or 8 o'clock, whatever the time you say, morning. And weekdays, as you suggest, like Monday, Tuesday, whichever days, as you suggest, when you're free, we should have by 8 o'clock. We can 8 to 9. If it gets stretched for 9:30 or till 9:30, also fine, not a problem.
Okay, ji. So you can get in touch with Ganesh. I think he will be able to discuss further things. Then we will initiate the classes. Okay.
Thanks, Prashant. Thanks. It was a good session.
Thank you, Prashant. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Ganesh.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys. Bye.
You too. Bye.